Alright, sis. You gonna go have fun with balls? Alright, give me hugs. Mwah. I love you so much. You be good?
Yes.
Alright.
You ready to go, girlfriend?
Yes.
Hi, dude. Later. Give me kisses. Give me a kiss. I love you so much. Y'all have fun. Dad'll just be here doing nothing.
So the kids and I are, well, not surprising my dad because he knows we're coming, but we are only 2.5 hours away from him in Tennessee. We're like in northern Alabama. So I figured I can't be this close to him and not take advantage. So the kids and I are gonna go up there and see him and stay a couple nights and then we'll be back. Are you crying already?
No.
Okay, are you ready to do this? Can I get a 1, 2, 3, let's do this? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let's do this.
Thanks, Rudy, for your participation.
Let's do this.
Oh, thanks, Bud. Can we do it all together? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let's do this.
Guys,
What?
we're almost there. Are you excited?
Yes.
Bubba, are you excited?
Yes.
Yay. You ready to get out of the car?
Yes.
Yes, me too. Okay, y'all ready? Go for it. Open the door. Push.
Bring no rain. Oh gosh. You didn't bring no rain yet. Where's the rain, girls, guys? Huh? I thought y'all were bringing the rain with
We
you.
drove through it. Come on. Let's see what he's got cooking on this grill over here. Oh, flower beds are up to par. Ooh, he's got a new water fountain. Isn't that pretty, guys?
Yes.
What you got going on over here, old man?
Looks like my thing went out. Let's see if I can get it going again. Yeah. Stink.
This looks so good. Wow. That is so cute. Let me see. Oh, keep brushing.
Museum.
A museum. This one's called Discovery Center at Murphy's Spring in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Let's go check it out. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing, Kai? Is that yummy, bub? Yes. Okay. Hmm. Have the best trip with Pa and Lola
Yeah.
and Koi.
Yeah.
Oh, say we love you guys.
We love you guys.
We miss you already.
We miss you already. We miss you already.
Okay, it was a successful trip. Okay, so So what in the actual heck just happened?
Yeah, so Tara's been gone the last couple days, and the site we were on, I don't know if you can see it, it slants pretty much all the way backwards. It's a lot more than it
doesn't look
looks.
so bad on here, but it really is pretty bad. And like literally, I think the whole time we were gone, he felt like he was going to end up in that lake back there.
Well, just, yeah, and so our back 2 tires were off the ground, and it just was not ideal. And this is a first come, first served park. So I've noticed the people right here, just right in front of us, were leaving, and it was the most level side I could find. And so we moved it and did the auto level, and look at that.
Oh my God, yay!
It works.
Even the middle jacks came down. This hasn't happened in literally forever. Like, hallelujah,
Right.
hallelujah.
This is a big thing for us.
Yay!
So, yeah.
So now we're gonna reopen
Yeah.
and
That didn't take
get
long.
the kids out of the car.
So
No, it
we
didn't
are-
take long at all.
we
And
are
we
good.
still have a great view of the lake. We're
Yeah,
just
we're
not
just
right on
literally
it.
right there. So
And I think, didn't you say it saved us like 25 bucks? So.
35 bucks.
35 bucks.
Because it's not a ocean or
And
a
we're level.
waterfront site. And we're Who's in there? Who's in the fort? Is that Arlo? Hey bud, are you talking to Sissy on the? Yeah.
Hey sis, can you get me a Bigfoot? And are you coming back with Fire Trucky and Bigfoot?
Fire Trucky and Bigfoot.
The kids and I are back from Tennessee. We're back with Austin. We actually yesterday I spent most of the day cleaning. We got ants in our RV. So literally,
It happened.
our bag of dog food, like we have a refill bin that we keep inside, and then our big bag we keep in the dry storage in the underbelly area, and it got ants in it and we had no idea. So it was just like hanging out for the last, trip, and probably for the last week. Without us knowing, and then Austin went to refill the bin that we keep inside and noticed that there was ants all in the dog food. So we have ants in the RV, and so I cleaned yesterday, and I think we've pretty much gotten rid of the problem. Hopefully nipped it in the butt before it got too bad.
What? Out of water. Bathroom.
Oh no, because of that water break. Oh shoot. So Bubba's got to use the bathroom, number 2. And there's a main water break on this road that we're on. So this is the second place we've tried, and their restrooms aren't working because they're out of water right now. So this is interesting.
Huh?
You can eat when you get back. Call us on the walkie. Is it on, sis?
Thank you.
Hey, we drove a couple miles down the road, and it looks like this place might have water. So Bubba's gonna get to go to the restroom. Let's see what he has to say. How's it going, Bubba?
Mom, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
They did not have it closed.
That's awesome. I hope everything comes out all right. Peanut shells.
Y'all had me here before? No, sir. Well, we're a county park. It's owned by the county. The park is.
Okay, so we are at High Falls Park in, what's the town?
Grove Oak, Alabama.
Grove Oak, Alabama. It's
It's
about an hour from where we're staying in Scottsboro.
And I got the guy talking. It's a county park.
So they work off donations. The state
Yeah.
doesn't help them. So, but it's only like a half-mile walk to this waterfall.
It'll be
and
pretty easy for us.
Yeah.
Knock on wood.
pretty simple. So
But should be
That's-
pretty.
it's pretty though.
Okay, let's see it. How do you catch a tadpole?
So you grab your hands like this.
Uh-huh.
And come on, little guy.
There you go. Let me see.
I got it.
Yay.
You hold it.
Good job.
Now your turn to try to catch
My
it.
turn? Okay. One, two, three.
There it is. Nice.
Okay, so we have had a nice, chill, relaxing weekend. We've just hung around the park really. We're right on the water, so we've let the kids, you know, play in the water and jump off the dock, and they've met a lot of really cool friends that they've enjoyed playing with. And we met some cool people, so we've just been hanging around there. But now today's Sunday, and we're only about 45 minutes from Huntsville, Alabama, and the kids and I have been to the U.S. Space Center there, but Austin has not. So we want to take Austin there and show him what it's like. It's a part of the ASTC passport program, the museum membership that I constantly am like raving about. It gets us in for free. So we thought, you know, why the heck not? Let's go check it out. And but first we're gonna go eat at a restaurant I just found called Melt. It's got really good reviews, so we'll check it out and see how it is. Okay, it looks like we're right outside of downtown Huntsville. Look how pretty. The Catholic Church. We are going to eat at Melt. It's right up here on the right.
I want the Hello Kitty box.
Do that again.
I want the Hello Kitty box.
Pretty.
Mommy, do the Hello Kitty.
Okay, are y'all ready?
Mama,
This
Hello
is genius.
Kitty.
You gotta turn it down. Here, I'll do it. See, you do it too
See your
much.
burger. All right. What do you see?
The rocket ship.
Nice.
Space museum.
What?
Space museum.
Space.
Tell Daddy what happens.
It floats up in the air.
Well, it sucks it so that it doesn't float in the air.
What's that, sis?
It's a moon rock.
Moon rock?
Daddy.
Yeah, so scrambled eggs and bacon and beef
Crush.
and a cherry drink.
Dad, is the bacon crushed? Dad, is the bacon crushed?
Is it crushed? Yeah, so what they do is they freeze dry it and then they put water on it and it comes to life.
Concludes our stay here at Goose Pond Colony in Scottsboro, Alabama. So this is our last time to see this awesome view.